Right, today I'm going to be reviewing the Telesin waterproof housing for the DJI Action 4. It also fits the Action 3. You'll be able to buy this one off eBay for £15. I highly recommend it, as Telesin make really good products over the years. I've had many things from them and I've had no issues whatsoever. Now you can buy the original one from the DJI website and that'll set you back £55, and that's tested up to a depth of 60 metres. Now that's something I'd buy if I was a professional scuba diver, but I know I won't be going down 60 metres with this one. So this case is going to be great for safeguarding it if you're on holiday in a pool or snorkeling down to around 5 metres. As with saltwater, if you get that inside of your action camera, you may as well throw it away. There'll be not much recovery from saltwater. On the other hand, if you do get any fresh water inside your action camera, depending how quick you act, you might be able to save it there. So let's open this up, get the Action 4 inside, and let's get to some testing. Now what's great with this Telesin waterproof housing is you get these anti-fog sheets. Make sure those anti-fog sheets are placed in the bottom there. I always use 2, as it's better than using 1. And then the Action 4 is just going to slot straight in there. Always check this rubber sealant secured, and then it presses tightly up to there, and the latch is hooked on, snaps in place. So there's just a couple of places you want to check before you submerge this into the water, and that'll be the button at the side and the button on the top, that they're watertight, and then the white rubber sealant around the outside. Just make sure that's in place correctly, and then you'll be good to go. And that's ready to go underwater now. Right, let's open this up and see if it's dry. Let's hope it is. And as you can see, the Action 4 is completely dry. The only bits of water droplets you'll see is from my hands. But that's good to go. Let's open these trapdoors up. Let's just check the battery compartment here. As you can see, that's completely dry as well. Shut that up. We'll open the other trapdoor, the USB-C. And as you can see, that's completely dry also. Now if you own the Action 4, you'll know it's completely waterproof without the external case. But this is just to safeguard if you're going in salt water, because if you do get a leak in those trapdoors and you get salt water in there, as I've explained before, it's just not going to be working no more and you may as well throw it away. If you get a little bit of fresh water in there, depending on how quick you act, you might be able to save it. So all in all, this Telesin waterproof case, I highly recommend it. It's not the official one from DJI, which retails at £55. That's something I'd recommend if you're going scuba diving, as you'll be able to get down to a depth of 60 metres. So I've given this Telesin waterproof case a good test today, with the white water hitting it and swishing it left to right. I've put it through some basic water tests, and as you can see, when I take it out of the housing, the Action 4 is completely dry. So I highly recommend this Telesin waterproof case if anybody wants to buy it. So until next time, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and bye for now.